Hello बच्चों, good morning. We have started this lesson Should Wizard Had Mommy, written by John Updike. In this story we have read that Jack tells one story daily to his daughter Jo. So now on this day he is going to narrate the story of Roger Skunk. When he narrating the story, he notices that Jo is actually in reality phase, and she is scrutinizing, means she is questioning everything. She wants to know everything. So she asks, Dad, magic spells are real. She asked this question to Jack. Magic spells are real or not? So she asked, are magic spells real? This was a new phase, just this last month a reality phase. So this was a reality phase. So Jack says they are real in storage. Okay, now Jack started narrating again that the same story. The owl said, go through the dark woods under the apple tree into the swamp and creek. So Joe asked, what is creek? So creek is a river, a little river. So and there is a wizard house. Jack rapped on the windowsill, just like Roger Skunk rapped means knocked the door of wizard. In the same way, Jack also rapped the windowsill. Joe is now very much excited. Then a tiny little old man came out, and he said, what you want? What you want means what you want. What is? You smell awful. So Roger Skunk says, I know it. Actually, my smell is very bad. That's why all the animals run away from me. No one plays with me. The enormous wise owl said, you could help me. So he says, well, maybe, come on. Don't get too close. So wizard says, okay, come on, come inside our home, but don't get too close. I mean, don't come close to me because your smell is very bad. Now inside Joe, there were all these magic things, all jumbled together in big dusty heap. Now Jack tells the story to Joe. He says, when Roger entered into the house, what he sees, there were so many magical things, and so many things were put in a big dusty heap. Because the wizard did not have any cleaning lady. Why? Because he was a wizard and a very old man. So Joe asked this question. When father, any Jack says that there was no cleaning lady. Cleaning lady means midwife, maid servant. There was no maid servant. Joe asked the question, why there was no maid servant? So Jack says, because he was wizard, he was a very old man, so no one wants to help him. Joe asked again, will he die? No, wizard don't die. Father said, no, wizards don't die. Well, he rummaged around and round an old stick called a magic wand and asked Roger Skunk what wanted to smell like. Again Jack started narrating the story. Wizard puts his magic wand, magic stick, and round he started moving the magic stick. Around Roger. Then he asked me, Wizard said to Roger, Mr. Roger, tell me what smell he want. Roger thought and said, roses. Yes, good, Joe said smugly. So he thought which smell he should ask. Then he said, roses. Yes, good, Joe said smugly. Jack fixed her with a trance-like gaze and chanted in the wizard's elderly, irritable voice. Now Jack is there, and from his irritable voice, wizard chanted this mantra: Abracadabra, hocus pocus, Roger Skunk, how do you do? Roses, boses, pull and ear, Roger Skunk, you never fear. Bingo! So after chanting this mantra, he said bingo. Bingo means tathastu. Let this happen. That's like a bingo. Bingo means yes. Bingo means yes, I am fine. He paused as a rapt expression widened out from his daughter's nostrils, forcing her eyebrows up and her lower lip down in a wide, noiseless grin, an expression in which Jack was startled to recognize his wife feigning pleasure at cocktail parties. So now daughter started imagining, Miss Joe started imagining about the fragrance of rose, because now wizard was going to change the fragrance of Roger Skunk into the fragrance of rose. And all of a sudden he whispered the whole inside of the wizard's house was full of the smell of roses. Suddenly he changed the smell of Roger Skunk, and the whole room was now smelling like roses. Roger Fish cried, and the wizard said, very cranky, that will be 7 pennies. Roger Fish was very excited, very happy. Bachcho, you must have noticed here that father Jack is saying Roger Fish, and here Jack had forgotten. Jack was telling the story of Roger Skunk, but he has forgotten. Now he is saying about Roger Fish. And wizard was very cranky. He says 7 pennies. 7 pennies. He says 7 pennies. Now Joe said, Daddy, what? Roger Skunk. You said Roger Fish. Yes, Skunk. You said Roger Fish. Why not that silly? Very silly of your stupid old daddy. Where was I? Where was I? I had forgotten. Where was I? Well, you know about the pennies. Say it. Okay, Roger Skunk said, but all I have is 4 pennies. But Roger Skunk says, I have only 4 pennies. And he began to cry. He began to weep. Joe made the crying face again, but this time without a trance of sincerity. This annoyed Jack. So Joe is now doing mimicry. Joe also did a kind of mimicry, and this annoyed Jack. Downstairs, some more furniture rumbled. Rumbled means noise was coming of furniture. Claire should not move heavy things. Jack is thinking that Claire should not move heavy things. She was 6 months pregnant, because Claire was 6 months pregnant. It would be their third. So the wizard said, oh, very well, go to the end of the lane and turn around 3 times and look down the magic well. There you will find 3 pennies. So wizard says, go to the end of the lane and there you have to move 3 times round, and then suddenly you will see a magic well, and from that magic well you will get your remaining 3 pennies. Hurry up. So Roger Skunk went to the end of the lane and turned around 3 times, and there in the magic well are 3 pennies. So he took them back to the wizard and was very happy and ran out like the woods, and all the other little animals gathered around him because he smelled so good, and they played tag, baseball, football, basketball, lacrosse, hockey, soccer, and pick up sticks. So now Roger Skunk was very happy when Roger Skunk returned from there. He played so many games with his friends, and he tells the names of these games. Okay, bachcho, thank you.